Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon baby seal. Let's get started on the right side of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to get started with the left eye. Starting from the top, I'm going to draw a circle. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right side. So let's line up the top of the eye and draw that same sized circle. Now I want to push the pupils in towards each other. So I'm going to start on the left side. At the very top here, I'm just going to curve around and then back in along the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. So lining up the top, go around to the side, and then pull that in. On the left side, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. So right up against the pupil, draw a circle, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's go in and fill the pupils in black. Now in between the eyes at the bottom, we're going to draw an oval for the nose. Starting from the top center, go around, and then back in. Just above the nose, I'm going to draw a curve from left to right, just for the wrinkle of the nose. Now we're going to step down in the center and draw on a point. This will be the center of the mouth. Now we're going to curve down and then up towards the left. From the center, we're going to curve down and then up towards the right. Now let's add a little bracket along the edge of the mouth on either side. Now from the bottom of each curve, I'm going to come down to the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve down, and then back up. Now about halfway down the mouth, starting on the left, I'm going to curve up in the middle, and then back down for the tongue. On the top half, I'm going to color that in black. And then directly below the mouth, I'm going to leave a little space and draw a curve, going down and then back up for the lower lip. I'm going to add 3 little spots just above each side of the mouth. Starting on the left side, we'll draw 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add some eyebrows just above the eyes. On the left side, I'm just going to curve in and then up. Okay, so now that we've drawn in the face, let's go in and draw in the rest of the head. So we're going to step up in the middle here and draw in a point. We're going to add a little bit of fur at the top here. So we're going to curve up and over towards the right, and then we'll taper that back down. We'll do that one more time with a shorter curve going out, and then we'll taper that back down. Now we're going to take the ends of the fur, go around the side of the head, and then in, almost like drawing a circle. So let's start on the left side. We go out, around the eye. Now we're going to pull this in, sort of aiming towards the chin. Now we're going to go back to the top and curve out towards the right. And we're going to pull this in towards the same height. From this point, we're going to step out and curve the chest going over towards the first fin. So start over here, we're going to curve down. Now we're going to start to pull this over towards the left to right about here. Now we're going to overlap the first fin. From here, we're going to step up and then over, curve down, and then out. From here, we want to taper this back up, going up towards the top of the fin. Now we're going to draw the right fin tucked in behind the body. So we'll start at the bottom edge of this curve. We're going to go straight out towards the right. Now I'm going to curve in and then up behind the chest. Now I'm going to take this curve and just line up towards the left of the fin and go straight across towards the left to right towards the tail. Now from here I'm going to curve up and then in. From this point I want to step back and just curve the back going in towards the neck. We go up. I'm just going to pull that into right about there. I want to create another overlap. We're going to step back, curve up, and then in behind the head. And that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon baby seal. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.